Hi, Carrie. Simon here from Little Big Marketing. I spoke to you this morning about shooting this video for you, given a bit of an attack plan on how you could generate some more business through your website. You did mention that you might have someone already doing some SEO work for you, so that's absolutely fine. However, I'm just going to give you a really quick rundown of what you should be expecting from them, because I'll point out a few things in a minute. I'm not going to chew up too much of your time, so I'm going to jump straight in. So the three things I want to look at are number one, content, number two, backlinks and citations, and number three, keywords, which are search phrases people enter into Google to look for a specific service. Now, coming along, looking at your website, I really like the website. Nice looking, got one nice image, and I like the display here. One thing Google likes to see is at least 1,500 words on a home page, so it knows that there's enough relevant information for any customer that comes across the site to allow them to make an informed decision. I can see someone's been doing some on-page SEO work, but you definitely need some more wording in there to get extra keywords. And as I say, Google likes to see a bunch of words on the home page and sub pages as well, but mainly the home page. So I put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and this basically buys statistics from Google and presents them to us in an easy way to read what's going on in the background of your site. And as I mentioned before, number two is backlinks, which is this here. You've got quite a good number of backlinks. However, a backlink, first of all, is any link coming from one site to your site. So if someone came across a blog site or something that had a link on it, that when they clicked it and it goes to your site, that's a backlink. And that's coming, and the blog site is the domain, the referring domain. This is the more important one. Backlinks you get from referring domains, but you can't get too many backlinks from the same domains. So this looks like you're getting at least 10 per domain. You really want 1-to-1, but that's not always how it works, but that's ideal. And that's why as you get more referring domains, this domain rating increases, because each site you have a backlink on passes some of this rating or authority through to your site. And that's why it's important to have these backlinks, because as these numbers raise to a maximum of 100, that's when you start to rank for these keywords. You have 72 keywords already, and you're getting 76 clicks per month. Not bad. I just wanted to point out a couple of things here. So I can see you're ranking a lot for your own name, which is pretty standard. But then as soon as you get into like some of the, commercial electrician, San Diego electrician, electrical contractors, you're ranking on page 2. Now these are on the move. They are increasing, so that's good. That's probably some of the work you're having done. One thing I do want to point out is that whatever work they're doing, here's the referring pages or referring domains. Sorry, this one here, referring domains, is they are really slowly getting you links. So between May and now, I mean, it's like 5 or 6 links. I mean, that should be 5 or 6 links per day. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. I can see here you got a ton of just links from probably similar domains back in June last year, and it's slowly increasing now. So you might want to have a chat to the SEO guys that are doing this and just, I'm not sure, but they need to move a little faster, in my opinion. So I put into the search here electrician San Diego, which is obviously a pretty standard keyword that you would expect for your own website. For your own services. And these Google guaranteed ads can be good because they're not available to all industries, and they do get a fair bit of traffic because they are Google guaranteed. Google obviously is, trust them, so people tend to trust them also. They pay per click, so you only pay for these when someone physically clicks on them and takes them to your webpage. Same as these ads here, however, people are less likely to trust these ones because they're not Google guaranteed. Simple as that. You're not showing up in the map pack. The way to get into the map pack is, as I mentioned before, part of number 2, backlinks and citations, are those citations. Citations are basically anywhere your business name is mentioned along with your phone number and address as shown on your Google My Business. I assume you have got a Google My Business. If not, you definitely need one, and you need to get into this map pack because this generates a ton of traffic for local businesses and also for people using a mobile phone. Really, really important to get in there. Tons of traffic. Coming down here, I've selected, you always see review sites at the top, such big websites. I put in your 2 top competitors here, Roberts and CLD, who are ranking for this specific term. Now, whoops, our CLD here, nice looking site, wouldn't be hard to beat them with a bit of extra wording. I put them into Ahrefs as well, and you can see here they're ranking for a lot of keywords. They're not getting a lot more traffic. Now, that's really interesting. So if I come into their keywords and I have a look at some of the higher volume keywords, this is what I'd be getting on your site. I mean, assuming that you do ceiling fan installations, that is searched for 5,300 times per month. So if you weren't getting a couple of thousand clicks per month from that, something would be wrong. This traffic here is traffic per month, which they're not getting any because they're on page 5 for that. Now, if we keep coming down here, commercial electrician is searched for 2,600 times. These are buyer intent keywords. These are the ones you want on your page. You know, any of these ones that are not the costing ones or how much ones, but any of these, the volume is enormous. So the idea is you get as many high volume keywords on your page as possible and then rank on page 1 for them. Ends up turning into an absolute massive amount of traffic. So you can see they've got a lot of referring domains. I can tell they're not the best quality, as in the links that they're getting from them aren't the best because, the links they're getting, the sites they're getting the links from aren't coming from the best sites because their domain rating still is quite low for that amount of referring domains. So certainly easy to beat these guys. Roberts Electric here. I'm just going to go really quickly because I'm chewing up too much of your time here. Really old site. You can't see it, but this site is actually not secure. So Google's deemed this site as unsafe, which means it's usually pretty easy to knock off the top spots there. Put them into this one as well. You can see they're getting slightly more traffic. Once again, a lot more keywords and just a few more referring domains. 66, and they've got which is a lot less than the last guys. However, their domain rating is a lot better. So they've got a lot better quality links from better quality domains. That's what you're looking for. These higher numbers helping you rank for more of these keywords, and the harder to rank for keywords with those massive volumes is going to put this, up into the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 clicks per month. Lots and lots and lots of traffic, lots of phone calls, lots of clients. That's the idea. So if you liked what you saw, give me a call, or if you want any more help with working out, how you're going to get some of these numbers a little better, please just drop me an email or give me a call. Once again, my name's Simon from Little Big Marketing. I hope you have a great day. Bye.